Maxford International School along Hiniangdeng Annual Sport Meet 2024 to 25 apartment Kipadupon. Kichari Lapen Kipathu Son Niang Bong Thedung Kachirab Dopusi Munidatum Chinipon. Son si pini mati jong ni pai thong kebar hawra ghat mate hawar ke hara long kidu nong nam kachithong klong Maxford International School along Ingdeng Hini Annual Sport Meet 2024 to 25 apartment Pini Pen Pangching Pontanglu Bangso Sayalong Aluhiaman Pengpen Kachitong Dun Hauraghat Sports Chunbang Brozen Timung Lapen Maxford International School Principal Penchenglok Teaching Staff Atum Chitong Dun Kepathu Cheng Chia Prang Aluhiaman Pengpen Kachitong Dun Hauraghat Sports Chunbang Brozen Timung Ahin Pensi Lama Inturpon Bangso Pia Sonason Kepathu Pangcheng Ponlu Baite Hauraghat Sports Chunbang Brozen Timung Virwarpen Horsing Bay News.
This day is a celebration of sportsmanship, athleticism, and the spirits of competition. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guests for gracing us with their presence, inspiring our participants. May today
choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle.
Have very much experience to deliver some valuable speeches to our students as well as all the officials, including honorable principals and the teachers. So just I'd like to say that being yes. Kecheng si alang itu media kote tuhan setemi nili ladak Maxford International School Burakiling arong dak pini pen chenglok annual sports meet kangkeng tu sini fan setemi manpeng aluhi nili fan tanang kapon lasi nili alang itu kan suri kadang pajiriklo Kapenang itu media kote tumhar setemi kadang pajiriklo lasi la Maxford International School calling lilo school tin lilo setemi la somar tumhan la sports ke papa tupon mane parents pipon la bangke lesson alam kabang parents pon break nang gila bangke atima ke patu la pen la kadu gobe la patu la sports event bu an setemi la kachali pen ge si bari ke thetang ke cherapo asi la lahai kata we arrangement betul lah mereka cari yang sebenarnya asal tu smart mah asal lah smart masan betul. Oke hai he katheri su lahai betul kita lah. Patu pen lahai organize pamika betul pe. Smart ni sebenarnya si kares longji lah pen cari ji apa ni si ajakong celongji lah pen si confidence celongji. Lah selang litum sebenarnya pini lah piniar ni. Ladak alang litum sekolah sebenarnya lah annual sports meet alang litum organize tu lah selang Hilining paper labang so school sering aprang kontak ji lapan dah kacar di semua pun labang so lason dia song hela kaprek patu event nong saya participate event amena jitu talent kecapak langji labang ke si awarsa platform tolong ji lapan alang kacar di saya mela so kepatu atau defensi alang tu benan aprang kontak si dengan ni kepala lapan alang tuan beli hirjume people lock